In today's tutorial, I am going to show you guys how to remove a Wi-Fi network from your Windows 10 device. So if you have a bunch of devices that are cluttering up your network list, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to clear them out. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and we're going to go jump right into it. All you have to do is select your Wi-Fi icon in your system tray. So I have an Ethernet connection here, but it would look somewhat similar. I mean, it's going to have a connection bar like a cellular reception, and you just would go ahead and right click on the Wi-Fi network you want to remove, and then just select forget. However, since I only have one connection here, it's not going to let me do that. But if you had any connections in here, you would just right click on it and then select forget. So again, right click, forget, simple as that, and then you can forget about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.